Hi Surya, what happened? You seem to be stressed with something?
Yes, Adil, I am trying to prepare good speech for Pongal. I did not get good result from ChatGPT. Can you help me?
I think I can help you. My sister is good at science and engineering and she had made a chatbot. Come, let's visit her. You see, here is my sister.
Hey Adil, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. Who is he?
He is my friend Surya and he is finding difficulty in finding source for his Pongal speech. Could you help him?
Yes, I can. I have a perfect solution for him. Follow me. Let me show you. Let me introduce you to my chatbot, Jimbo.
Why did you name this chatbot as Jimbo?
Because my chatbot provides answers from Wikipedia. As you know, the founder of Wikipedia is Jimmy Wales. He is also known as Jimbo Wales. That's why I named my chatbot as Jimbo.
Before, he used ChatGPT to find source for his code and monthly paid some amount of money as subscription to get access to this bot. Does your chatbot need any subscription like that?
Oh my, I really feel bad for you. But my chatbot doesn't need any subscriptions or anything. It's completely free. So what was your topic again?
Pongal.
Okay, Pongal. You just need to type your key term into my chatbot and enter.
How many days does it take to make for you?
How many days do you think it took me to make this?
4 to 5 days?
Absolutely not. It only took me 2.5 hours to make this chatbot.
Wow, amazing.
There are many chatbots like ChatGPT and Gemini AI. What is the difference between them and your Jimbo chatbot?
As you know, he was using ChatGPT and there's lot of subscriptions and has to pay every month. But my chatbot, it's completely free and student friendly. Students like us face lot of problems and we go search around in Google and ChatGPT and lot of unnecessary details and many interrupting ads. And because of Wikipedia imported into my chatbot, we get only singular structure answers and which is short and crispy and all children can understand.
Is it convenient for beginners like us to make a chatbot like
Yes,
this?
it's completely convenient. I only imported 2 modules, which is Wikimedia module and Streamlight library and created this chatbot Jimbo.
Who guided you to make the chatbot like this?
Their artificial intelligence classes, I was able to understand science and technology and everything and I made this chatbot Jimbo